Bye! Hi my lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Amy and I'm a cruelty-free makeup enthusiast and blogger. Today we have a good old-fashioned mail unboxing. I have two substantially large boxes here that I can get through and kind of show you guys, just tell you what I've recently purchased. I haven't done one of these in a really long time, so I thought it would be really fun to do so. If my outfit and makeup looks a little familiar, that's because it is. I did film the previous video and this one on the same night, and I figured why kind of reinvent the wheel and do a whole new makeup look. It's kind of fall and festive and fun, and I figured I'd keep going with it. So the first box that I have is from Ulta. I had a ton of Ulta points, so I didn't really have to pay for much in this box. I was like, you know what, I've been good, I've been saving up all these points, I'm gonna get a bunch of new stuff. So of these things that I got, Credo, which is a cleaner kind of marketplace online for beauty, hair care, skincare products. They did a collaboration with Ulta, so you can get a bunch of products from companies that they usually have on their website. So the first thing that I got, I was super excited. I've wanted this for so long. This kind of Pat McGrath looking thing is from Cruelty-Free. They are a clean beauty brand, and this is the Alchemist Highlighter Intensifier. So I was so excited to try this because it's supposed to be a highlighter for your highlighter. It's supposed to be a transformative topper. I know that this is vegan as well. I know a lot of their products aren't necessarily vegan, but they are a completely cruelty-free brand. So let me just pop this out. Ooh, they gave me a sample. Rare Light Cream Luminizer in Persephone. Let's see, this comes out. It came in like this little thing right here. But their kind of style is really interesting. It's all, again, very alchemy, witchy type vibes. So that's pretty cool. Oh, pretty. A very nice little luminizer. I've tried a bunch of their luminizers before. I have two in my collection. I also have one of their rare cream pigments, I believe it's called, which you could use all over. I just made a mess. I spilled all this outside of my desk. But this is the normal Cruelty-Free packaging. Let me move this over so I can show you. So beautiful, right? I love the kind of like stars on it. And then this is what it looks like. So I am super excited to try this out. I kind of like want to dig into it right now and put it on, but I'm going to wait because I think I want to do a video like playing with all this new makeup. So I'm going to hold on to it, but I'm super excited about this. This has been on my radar for like a year and I've wanted it. I'm so happy that the brand's finally starting to get a lot more notoriety. I think when you have people like Teresa is Dead kind of talking about the brand, really pumping it up, their name is definitely getting out there. So I think that's wonderful. I've been a customer of theirs for years. I love their lipsticks as well. All right, so let's see what else is in here. So I did get from Hint Beauty, this is another clean, cruelty-free. I think they're mostly vegan or completely vegan as well. This is their, let's see, what is this called? Duet Perfecting Concealer. So I've wanted to try a kind of cleaner pot concealer for a really long time, and Hint always has some of the best reviews. So it comes in this really cute little pot like this, and the shade that I got was DC02 Light. This is a light with yellow undertones. I tried to go more with neutral undertones, but I didn't want to do the pink one and they didn't have a neutral one, so it was just either like a fair pink or light yellow, so I went with this one. We'll see how this goes. Again, I will test this out, but this has so many wonderful reviews to it. What's next in here? This is from Au Naturel. Yes, I ordered this cream multi-stick. This is in the shade Awaken. Au Naturel is a really cool, again, clean, completely vegan brand. And I just like supporting brands like this. I love that all their stuff is kind of recyclable and that they're more on the ethical side. So I really appreciate that. So this can be used anywhere you want, eyes, lips, face. I liked the shade Awaken. Let me see if it looks like it did in the photographs. This is really sturdy, by the way. That's what it looks like there. I know I said I wasn't going to swatch, but I did anyway. This is like a really pretty deeper pink, I think, with some shimmer in it. That's really lovely. Oh, it feels super creamy when you blend it out. That blended out quite nicely too on my hand, so I'm looking forward to trying that out. I love these kind of multi use sticks. The last two things I got from like the cleaner beauty side, this is from Exa. This is a newer brand to me, and I think it was when I purchased something from either Credo or the Detox Market or Credo. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm so sorry. It was one of those cleaner kind of like online green markets, and they gave me a sample of this, and I actually really liked it. So I ended up picking this up. I was super excited that this was at Ulta so I could use my points. This is the Jumpstart Smoothing Primer. This is charged with triple antioxidants. This box is made from 100% post-consumer waste. It's made from compostable sugarcane waste fiber. Oh, wow. And the bottle is made from glass. Okay, cool. So this is really awesome. And then they also support Women's Voices for the Earth, whose mission is to eliminate the toxic chemicals that harm our health and our planet. It's super cool. So anyway, I really like this. I thought this was a very like soothing kind of primer here. I love this packaging. That it's almost like an old carton, like an egg carton. That's what it reminds me of. So this is it. It is so... Wow, this is really luxurious. It's very heavy. That's what it looks like right there. And then, oh, and it comes with a pump. Absolutely love one that comes with a pump. Love that. So yeah, this feels really beautiful and luxurious. I'm excited to play with this more. So then in addition to that, I got the High Fidelity Semi-Satin Foundation. This is charged with anti-pollution actives. I'll try saying that 4 times fast. But let's see. It says it has microalgae active, soothing marquee berry, and hydrating hyaluronic acid. And it's supposed to be kind of more lighter weight foundation. The sample that I did get, I really liked. I got the shade James 410, which is a light neutral foundation shade. So I think it's just so beautiful. Again, this frosted glass is very, very luxurious. I absolutely love that it comes in a pump too. So let's give this a try. I've tried a couple of cleaner foundations that I've really enjoyed. I remember 100% Pure had one that I liked years ago, but I do really like the one from Clove & Hollow that's like more of like a skin tint. But this one I'm super excited to try out because I just think it looks so luxurious, and I hope I find a new favorite of mine in my collection. All right, moving on. I really needed a new loofah, and that's where this one comes into play. It's a unicorn. And I know this is probably meant for children, but my husband and I will use this. It's adorable. This almost feels like the little unicorn has like almost a terry cloth kind of feel with his like little hooves and his little face. I just think he's the cutest little thing. But I love this loofah. I just thought it was super cute, and I got it with my points because I needed a new one. My old one was just getting too old, and I thought this was adorable, so I have this new one. So I'm going to go put this in the shower and probably use it tonight. I'm excited to try it out. I just have 2 more things in this box. Yeah, 2 more. Okay, so these are both, if I could get it out. Oh, they didn't wrap this. Okay. Well, that's something. All right, so I got 2 things from NYX. I haven't bought stuff from NYX in so long. I think it's been like a year since I've purchased from them. They're just not as interesting to me as they used to, but when I saw this palette, I originally was like, I don't need it. I don't need another big palette, but there was something about the colors that really drew me in with this. This is the Ultimate Utopia. It does feel a bit heavier than some other larger drugstore palettes that I have. It does feel heavier than my Profusion, but I always recommend Profusion if you want bigger palettes because the quality and the price can't be beat. This was a little pricey, but because I had points, I didn't really have to pay for it. So this is it up close. I just really thought it was pretty. I love the balance of the warmer tones and the cooler tones. There's some really beautiful pastels in there, really beautiful deeper shades too at that corner. So I just thought this was unique. It's 40 shades. That's a lot. I normally don't go for that, but I just was really intrigued by this, and I think the colors look stunning. So I can't wait to play with this. I definitely should do like maybe a video with some looks because this is nice and big, and I hope it's good. I read that the reviews were pretty decent because I know sometimes their eyeshadow formulas hit or miss, but I bit the bullet. I do know that they made smaller versions of this too. There's like a, I want to see, maybe there's like a 12 or 16 pan one, and then there's a 6 pan one. So it kind of gets smaller and more curated as it goes on. I was gonna get the middle-sized one, but it didn't have those pastel shades that you can find in here. And then I got a brush from them too. So this is their, I think this is their Crease Brush. And it had really good reviews online, and I always could use a good crease brush, so I figured I would give it a go. It's very well wrapped, it's very soft, it's a pointed crease brush. It's a good size. They're not too big, not too small. That's what it looks like. I'm definitely going to be doing a video with these products, kind of testing them out, and I'll let you know my thoughts on them in the very near future. I'm thinking I'll probably film that video tomorrow while I get ready. I have one more box to go through. Let me just kind of, I have so much stuff on my desk right now. It is just making me so nervous that I'm gonna knock everything down. Let me move this out of the way. I normally am very organized, like I'm a very organized person. So when things start getting hectic, it just drives me nuts. So this is a box that I got. Looks like this. It's actually packaged extremely well. This is from Glamlite. So Glamlite had a 30 or 35% sale recently, and I thought, wow, that was a really good deal. Their stuff I feel like is already reasonably priced, and I just bit the bullet because there were so many other things I wanted to try. I've tried their lip products, their lip glosses in particular, as well as their Cake eyeshadow palette, and that Cake eyeshadow palette became one of my favorite releases of eyeshadows this year. I just wanted to get more of their stuff into my collection, try more out, so I figured since they're having a sale, I felt a lot more comfortable picking a bunch of things up. So this is really wrapped well. So let's go right into it. I ended up getting the donut palette. I think that's what this is. Let me just see. This was so hard for me to not open and go through, guys, before filming this, because there was that, you know, that instant gratification thing that once you open up a package and you see things for the first time, but I'm like, wait to show your reaction. I do want to mention too that Glamlite is a cruelty-free, vegan, and Black-owned brand. This has the creator and owner of Glamlite, Giselle. How pretty she is. I love the makeup done there. She's like a self-professed foodie, and she loved food so much and makeup that she just combined the two. I think that's such a fun idea. Like, I love how this brand has really stayed on theme, particularly when things are dessert themed. That's kind of what I'm drawn to. So we have the beautiful donut right here. You have the back as well. I've kept my Cake palette packaging because it's like a little oven. Oh, it's so cute. It's like super soft. That's what the back looks like. And oh my God, this is adorable. Okay, so let me take the little plastic insert out. There we go. It has a pretty decent magnetic closure there. And those are the shades. I love these shades. I love these like really like the beautiful teal and the aqua, and then the purples and the pinks. And then you have this like reddish brown here, which I think will deepen things out quite nicely, and the highlighter in the center. So I've heard wonderful things about their highlighters. Let's see. Look at the highlighter there. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm excited. I think this was cute, and it was, I think it was only $16 to on sale. This is starting to make me hungry. Okay, so I got this Street Taco palette. This is one of the ones that isn't dessert themed that I ended up picking up. I wasn't really too keen on like the burger palette or the pizza palette. Maybe it's because I'm a vegetarian. I'm just kind of not like, I don't want like a bunch of meat themed things on my, like in my collection, but this one I thought the colors were just really beautiful and bright. Okay, so this is the cute little taco. It says warning, do not eat on the back. I think that's hilarious. Okay, oop, there we go. All right, so this is the side that opens. Beautiful, bright, vibrant shades. I love, there's the mirror, and then look at these beautiful shades. I love these kind of bright lime and like this hot pink and orange, and then this green right here. Super stunning. This is right up my alley for brights because I really like shades with greens in them. And yeah, I really like this. Oh, this is one of the singular highlighters that I got. Oh my God. I remember when this first came out and I kind of had my eye on it, and of course I waited. I said, you don't need this many highlighters. So this is the Concha Highlighter. So in Mexican culture, this is a really popular kind of like sweet dessert bread. So let's see. I love the way that it looks too, because it always looks kind of pinkish. I want to try that bread so bad. This is what the package looks like. And then it has a nice little press button. Let's see if it works. There we go. Oh, so pretty. It's so, it's almost like a purpley pink. That's it right there. Oh, it's so soft, but so pretty. I'm excited to play with this more. Okay. I have one more thing, and it's the biggest thing. I debated on whether or not I was going to get this, but then you know what? I was watching Michaela. Do you guys know who Michaela is? If you guys are on, what is that app called? I just had a senior moment. TikTok. I couldn't think of TikTok. I'm on TikTok too. Hello, hi. I'll link my info down below if you do want to visit me on TikTok. But Michaela had tried this out. This is the Ice Cream Dream Palette. It is in the packaging of an ice cream truck. It is so freaking cute. I cannot deal. She said it's like her new favorite palette, and that girl is so talented, and she's so honest, I feel like, so I couldn't wait to get this because she's the one who sold me on it. She was like, this is the best palette I have in my collection. I went, don't have to tell me twice, I'll give it a go. Because I didn't know if I wanted it just because I have the Cake palette. The Cake palette's very much like rainbow based, but it's a bit deeper. This seemed in the photographs much brighter and lighter. This is just so much fun. Okay, what does it say on the back? The most delicious ice cream palette is fresh out of the freezer and ready to be served. Okay, 30 exquisite, tasty ice cream types and flavors. All right, dreamy pastel shades and rich neutrals. Let's get into it. So how does this, I'm assuming it just opens from, yeah, it opens just like this. Oh, this is so cool. Look how cute this is, guys. Ready? Oh, look at that. Oh my God, I can't deal. I'm definitely holding on to the packaging for this. Okay, let's open her up. I'm kind of glad that this palette isn't as big as I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be like this monstrosity, like a big Morphe palette, but it's not. It's actually like, if you see my hand, it's not terribly large. This is so fun. Look at the sprinkles. That's so cute. With the cotton candy background. Total sucker. Let's see. Oh, beautiful. Okay. All right. I know I should be showing this to you. Let me take out the insert. There we go. Get up close. So you have some more neutrally shades at the top. And then as we go down, you get more pastel and brights, almost neon at that bottom there. Really beautiful array of blues, purples, greens, a little bit of red, orange at the bottom too. Stunning. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love the shade names too. Cookie Monster, Strawberry Cheesecake, Pecan Praline. Some of these look so creamy. So with my experience with Glamlite, I've just really been impressed with the quality of their shadows and their products. So super excited to give this a go. If you guys want to see like a video all about Glamlite products that I have in my collection, leave a comment down below. I would be so happy to do that. I think their brand is just so much fun. Again, non-problematic, just a really fun, cool brand. And that is it, my friends. So if you made any recent purchases, comment down below what they are. What are you looking forward to trying out this season? And if you have any of these products that I just recently hauled, let me know below. Let me know how you like them. And that is that. If you made it this far, please leave a little peach emoji down in the comments because you are sweet as a peach. And until next time, remember to stay compassionate and chic. Bye!